Yes.
This is how the newest listing at the Uganda Securities Exchange was ushered in. This is the largest initial public offering (IPO) in Uganda's history, raising a record of 535 billion shillings from applications for 2.9 billion shilling shares. According to the National Social Security Fund, NSSF, the biggest investor in MTN, everything else notwithstanding, it's a good buy.
We've seen this stock in other companies, in other countries. We're big investors, for example, in the Safaricom. So we're quite confident that the company will do well. They've got a dominant market position, and we are happy to invest the stock for our members in NSSF. We've got over 2 million members, and we believe that they will get value by investing in this company. We invest about $100 million worth of investment, and we've got a percentage of about 9.1% of the stocks of the company.
When it comes to retail versus professional investors, 10% of this offer is going to local hands. Ordinary Ugandans, the wananchi who walk the streets of Uganda, put in up to 54 billion Uganda shillings.
Out of 21,394 total number of applicants for offer shares, 20,894 were Ugandan applicants. This equates to 87% of shares allocated to Ugandan investors. However, while this is the biggest single share float for Uganda, MTN has also experienced the biggest undersubscription by any listed company at 35%.
Unusual times, it is COVID, there isn't a lot of liquidity, there is a lot of uncertainty, but the fact that they've been able to do at least 65% of the offer is a fantastic opportunity. They have been given another 2 to 3 years to be able to fill the rest of the shares that have been listed, to sell them, and I believe that they will be able to achieve that.
The MTN counter somehow beat the overshadow of its IPO under subscription by gaining 5 shillings on its initial share price to close the day at 205 shillings, having opened at 200 shillings at 2.5% value appreciation. Rachel Nabisubi, NTV Business.